Every time in my works, I think in English. That is how I learn it. Go on. Every time in my works, I speak in English. That is how I learn it. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the brain learns English. Once more, you watch my lesson and you learn it. Practice speaking English. Hello everyone, how are you all? Good. Sometimes, not always, sometimes I sing songs. Yes, sometimes I sing songs. Okay. Today, 8th day. Look at these pictures. Who's this? I, Gauri, yes. No, Gauri, no. Okay. Have a look and think what I'm doing. What I'm doing. What's he doing? Think. Okay. Look at this picture. What I'm doing. Good. Singing. Sometimes I sing songs. Sometimes. Before lesson, my song? Yes. Sometimes I sing. Sing. Sometimes I sing songs. Look at this picture. What I am doing? Eating. This picture, eating. Every day, I have breakfast. Every day, I have breakfast. Before 8 a.m., before 8 o'clock. Every day, I have breakfast. Breakfast? Okay. What's this? Think. Think with the time. What time do we have breakfast? Good. In the morning. What about lunch? Morning? Good. Afternoon. Lunch. Dinner. Good. Dinner. What time? Evening. Night. Then night. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. I have breakfast before 8 o'clock. Look at this picture. Where is it? Temple. Okay. Think I'm at home. Now at home. Temple. Have to go. I have to go. Go. I go to the temple on Fridays. I go to the temple on Fridays. On Fridays. On Fridays. I go. I go. I go to the temple on Fridays. Okay. Look at this picture. Who's this? Okay, good. Yeah, sad. Okay. What's the game? Football. Good. Football. I never play. I never play football. Football. I never play. I never play. I never play football. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Think about the colors. Colors, colors. Red. Yes, red. Okay. Think. Think about the colors and here. Good. Sometimes. Sometimes I sing a song. Sometimes I sing a song. Good. Every day. Good. Every day. Every day I have breakfast. Every day I have breakfast. Good. I go to the temple on Fridays. On Fridays. This color? No. I never play football. I never play football. Sometimes every day on Fridays never. Have. Have. What's this? Have. What's this? Good. Verb. Verb. Every day I have breakfast. every day. Have. Okay, think. What's the tense? Tense. 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 Good. Simple present tense. Good. Copy down. Copy down. What's the tense? Tense. Tense. Simple present tense. Good. Verbs. 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 Copy. Copy. Okay, good. Now, exercise. Okay? Watch it carefully. Week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Good. Good. Saturday. Good. Right? What are these? What are these? Verbs. Good. Okay. Now, draw this table. Draw this table in your notebook. Notebook. Take your notebook. Draw this table. Okay. Did you draw? Okay, good. Now, do the activity with me. With me. Okay. Example. Example. Have. Good. I have breakfast every day. Every day. Sunday? Yes. Monday? Yes. Tuesday? Yes. Okay. Market. Every day. Sing? Every day? No. Today? Okay. Previous sessions? No. 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 Okay. I go to the temple. Good. On Fridays. Good. Play? Never. Done? Very good. Now, exercise. Okay? You have to write the sentences. Example, I have breakfast. Remember? Earlier. Copy down. Remember? Yes. Good. 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 Now, 3 words. These 3 words. Yes. Write the sentences. Write the sentences. Now. Now. What? Remember? Think and write it. Done? Good. Check it and correct it. Sometimes I sing a song I sing a song sometimes. Okay. On Fridays, I go to the temple. Correct. Okay. Or both correct. Okay. Correct it. What we study? Simple present tense. I pronoun good. Okay. You, we, they. Okay. Copy down. Notebook. Copy down. Now, homework. Before lesson, I sing a song. Yes. Listen that song and find verbs. Verbs. Okay? Remember? Verbs. Yes. In that song. Yeah. In that song, find the verbs. Okay? And make sentences. Make sentences. Okay? Yes. Those verbs. Those verbs. First, write the verbs. Okay? That song. Write the verbs. Then, make simple present sentences. Okay? What do you do? Think about you. So, those verbs. Okay? What are you going to do? First, write the verbs. From where? From where? That song. Good. Then, make sentences. Make sentences. Good. Example. I speak in English. Okay? Every day I speak in English. Speak. Yes. Did you listen to the song? Did you listen to the song? Speak. Yeah. One verb. So example. Right? For other verbs, you have to write your own sentences. Your own sentences. That's it. So, do the homework. If you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends. Okay? Thank you. Be an example.